Welcome back to the channel and today's live day trading session. Today it's Tuesday and it's 16th of July. So that has brought some consolidation if you ask me personally, but also has brought some lows of the day with crude oil, and natural gas has kind of found some sort of a support, but let's see if that's going to be enough to hold those two futures and to see what the day will bring us. So let's go to the chart, let's see what is going on, and then I'll also break down my day so I'll let you know how that has unfolded for me so far, and it's not great. Right, so quickly looking at, I'll just check on here the live session so I can then keep up with the comments as well. It makes more sense. All right, I'll just do it here. Okay. All right, that's better. All right, I'll just do it here. All right, yeah, that is better. So what I was basically saying is let's see what is going on with crude oil and natural gas, and then we can move on from there. Now, let's go first with a crude oil, as that's been very volatile today, especially in the early hours of the day, so to speak. So if you go onto the daily, let's go to auto, then you'll see that we currently finding ourselves back where we were on 24th of June. We're testing that previous support build up earlier. And let's see if that's going to be enough to hold that future. I just want to open up here as well. Doesn't matter. Anyway, so obviously today has been a very bearish day so far, minus 1.44% on the day. Let's see if we can find some sort of a support, which we have potentially found if we go down the time frames. Then let's go to the 4 hours. As you can see, the support stands to about 80.21. I was very bearish on crude oil throughout the day today, but I didn't really time it that well, and when I did, I then decided that it's no longer worth being in a position, so I then exit my trade very prematurely, and then I'll show you where that was. Right, so if we go back to today, okay, 12 o'clock. Right, so I had opened a couple of trades right here. So the first one was a little short position here. We then bounced off some sort of a support we found at 81.7, and then since then we broke the moving average. Now I got stopped out at around 82.03, somewhere there, give or take, and then the market kind of uptrended from there. I then opened up another short position right here myself. No, sorry, that's yesterday, guys. What I'm talking about. Where is today? Yeah, that's the one. Was it? Oh, we're looking at 5 minutes. Hang on, let me get in the picture. Right, yeah. So I've opened up. Let's go in here. Right, I've opened up a short position right here. They then got stopped out above the moving average, and then I thought, okay, let me open up another one because we haven't made a high right here in the pattern. So then I thought, yeah, that is a good opportunity. We then gap up so much. I exit my trade right around 80.84, but then the market continues selling off to 80.2, where we find ourselves in today. So we then bounced off that low of the day, and then we have uptrending from there. I have in fact opened up a couple of short positions around here, one being at 80.4. Unfortunately, that came to nothing. I got stop loss, and also the next one did the same thing. So after all, I'm in the minus today, and I have been for the last couple of days as well. Just want to open up the trading, guys, on my phone as well. Just need to find the email right here. All right, makes more sense. Right, so yeah, ever since I have actually lost some money since we made the low of the day, but I'm looking to recope that. By the looks of things at the moment, crude oil is finding some resistance around 80.8. Let's see if that's going to be enough to hold that resistance perhaps, and then potentially continue the sell off we had earlier, maintaining that bearish pattern we have currently with crude oil. So I was chasing quick profits perhaps today. That's why I currently achieve my best. I have also come out with 4 reasons why I didn't do particularly well today. So I'm constantly looking to improve on my mistakes, so to speak. One of them is I have not been waiting for confirmation, by the way. So if I look at my entries today, I'll definitely see that. So that has come to mistake number 1 that I have done. And then I've got a rushing into trades as well. So yeah, again, not waiting for confirmation. Perhaps it's the reason, especially in these patterns right here, where I've opened up a trade without even consolidating the moving average and making a lower low. So I've rushed into that particular one, and same thing here. I then thought the market is reversing again, but it didn't happen. So again, I'm learning constantly. The third mistake I have done is not letting my winner run, and that was the earlier winner I had open right here. I've closed it prematurely. I could have let it run another good, let's say, 0.69%. That would have been a nice, even better winning trade compared to what I've taken on the particular one. Yeah, 42%, 0.42. So yeah, I could have done much better with those profits, to be fair. But yeah, consistently learning is the key forward for me at the moment. And then the final mistake is, let's say, yeah, still the same thing, not waiting for change of direction, i.e. the market to make a lower high and then make a lower low as well. That's a good indication of potentially a reversal. As you can see, we made a higher high here and also higher low. So since then the market has continually moving forward, although we have made some resistance of around 80.76 is the top of it. So that's with crude oil. Let's move on to natural gas and see what has happened today as well with natural gas. So if we go to the dailies, we'll see that we have continued selling off throughout July, as it has been. Today we have kind of find some support at, let's see where that is, 2.15. So another round number, so to speak. I'm just looking at crude oil quickly. We're testing support of 80.5. Time it's 3:15. So yeah, natural gas has been very bearish throughout, I'd say, good part of, same as crude oil to be fair, 24th of June. What has happened on 24th of June? Let's see. 24th June 2024. Let's see what has happened. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Anyway, I don't want to boggle you too much. However, yeah. So looking at natural gas, we have found some sort of a support by the looks of things. And we have bounced off that 2.15 at the moment. And we continue pushing forward from there. Now, we are reversing currently from 2.2 a contract. So i.e. we will see if that is going to be enough to continue the sell-off we have had. Let me just stop this one here. Okay. Just putting too much pressure on the PC and it's lagging at the minute. Hey. So yeah. Testing previous support with natural gas, 2.18 at the moment. So yeah, let's see how the day is gonna go, but it hasn't been amazing so far for me. I have to be honest with you, and that predominantly I think is based on the consolidation areas and the 4 mistakes I have identified myself, why I haven't done so well today. So I'll be looking to improve obviously as I move forward from today, but let's see if crude oil will break support of 80.5. Obviously, when it comes to trading in general, it's all about edges and how you do with your edges. So I cannot really say that my edge is not working. I think in personal terms that it's not right. Something here, my perception is not there at the moment. And yeah, that's probably is the main reason for not doing so well today. It's just the perception, because if I break it down, it's not waiting for confirmation. So my perception plays a big role in that. Rushing into trades, the same thing. My perception plays a big role into that as well. Like I said, also not letting my winners run. Perhaps it's not that much of my perception, I would say, as it is probably as my fear of missing out. No, sorry, fear of loss. Losing the gains I have made. I can put it like that, yeah, it makes sense. And then not waiting for change of direction. Again, it's another one where it's pretty much same as mistake number 1, not waiting for confirmation of the change of direction, i.e. to have a lower low and lower high, or higher low and higher high as well. So a good indication of changing of direction as well, so to speak. Now, just keep an eye on crude oil, because we are kind of lurking around the 80.5 a barrel at the minute. So let's see if that's going to be enough to hold it. Same with natural gas. We have found some previous supports right here at 2.18. Let's see if that's going to be enough to hold it. I think I'm going to wrap it up for today, guys. I have been going how it didn't go well so far for today. But again, I'll be taking up on my edges no matter what, because I don't control the probabilities and I don't know which edge is going to work and which one is not going to work. So just continue pushing with the strategy. I know, in fact, that I'm in there. My strategy works. My edges are perfect in that regard. Yes, I have to align my perception more. Probably have to work more on it than anything else. So yeah, that is probably a good point for me to take on from today. But I just down what, a good £300, so not even that much, so to speak. Now, if I was to let my winner run in the first place, I would have been up about £500. But again, it's something I have struggled for the last couple of months with. It's just letting the winners run. So perhaps my fear of loss, I need to work on that as well. So perception and fear of loss are my 2 points to work on if I'm not letting my winners run, and at the same time, if I'm not waiting for confirmation, which is the perception. So I'll be working on those 2. I'll be live trading tomorrow, same time, same place, same tickers, natural gas, crude oil, never give up. And we'll be looking at crude oil storage report tomorrow. Hopefully some more green days to come. But as of now, thank you so much for watching me today, and I wish you have a fantastic trading day.